Okay, so let's go through how to set up your Facebook pixel. And I'm on my Facebook page right now. This is a fake account that I made. And the way that we want to do this, like Alex taught in the last module, is we want to get to our business page. And so the way that I do this is I will come down to create, and I'm actually going to click on one of these. You can also go to business.facebook and go to your ads manager. Mine will automatically log in, but you can go to business.facebook.com and log in, and it will take you to the back side of the ads manager. We'll let it load, and then we'll set up our very first Facebook pixel. Great. So as you can see, I'm in the back end. I'm in my ads manager, if you remember from the last module. And what we're going to do is, like Alex had mentioned before, this is the tab where we can find all the different aspects and ways that we can change things in the ads manager platform and really in Facebook business. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll over to the measure and report. We're going to go down, find events manager and pixels. And so this is brand new. This hasn't been touched. So this is assuming we've started from scratch and you've never had a Facebook pixel before. You should see exactly something like this, since this is brand new. This is something I haven't touched before. And really what we're going to do, Facebook makes it really simple. It tells you what the pixel can do. And there's a green button down here that says create a pixel. And let's see, we're going to title it. I'm going to call this, healthy funnel test pixel. And I am going to create. And now our Facebook pixel is set. Great. And so it's going to give us this page. And if we want to use it right away, we can access our pixel this way. And I'm going to walk through in the next few videos of how we're going to use it. We're going to be using the manually install the code yourself. I am going to click out of this. Let's see if there's anything else. View setup instructions. Okay. So I'm just going to walk through this real quick, make sure that we're able to access it. So this is going to be the big part of our code, and we'll dive into it deeper in one of the next videos. Awesome. And then now if I go to my, let's see, if I go back to this page, just want to see if it changes. But anyways, guys, now we have a pixel. We have a pixel. It's not set up to a website yet, but we have our pixel. And this is the very first step that we need to take to make sure that we have our pixel in place. Great. So we've got our Facebook pixel. In the next video, I'm going to show you how we install it on our website, and then we can check and test to make sure that our pixel is up and running and tracking data.